Ciryl got 247 pounds, 2-inch reach advantage in the red corner with Ngannou.
We've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. We're going to have a clean fight. Touch gloves and let's do it.
Has noticed those on his opponent, Francis Ngannou.
The much-awaited fight came through. Ciryl was fighting like a Gatling machine gun. My boyfriend says Ciryl was throwing head, fist, knee, and foot all at once like a Terminator. Do you remember him? I mean this guy. This is when Francis realized he came to the ring with a pump-action gun to fight a Gatling machine gun. By the third round, Francis deployed 600 elephants into the cage to slam and take down Ciryl.
Gets to a double. Oh, nice takedown, Francis. Catch the leg, and look at him, just power slam. I mean, you love that. You gotta love that. High impact. Trying to, I mean, this is a finishing move. That's the 1, 2, 3. He goes wizard kick here. Level change to the double. Gets the hands locked. I mean, come on, man. We've never seen this part of Francis forward. But Ciryl tries to face him. Now Francis can take him backwards.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah.
Cyryl's looking for that Kimura again.
Can you imagine? Francis even took down Ciryl from under a takedown.
Decision. The judges score the contest 48-47, 48-47, and 49-46 for the winner by unanimous decision.
For more MMA analysis from my boyfriend, please subscribe and press the notification button.